Let's learn the quick mnemonic of maxillary artery, which is the largest branch of the external carotid artery. It has three parts. First part is mandible part, which is located between the neck of the mandible and sphenomandible ligaments. It runs along the lower head of the lateral pterygoid. It is the MCQ. The mnemonic is middle meningeal artery, anterior tympanic artery, axillary meningeal artery, and inferior alveolar artery, and deep auricular artery. So I'll be showing you the diagrams. This is the maxillary artery, which is the largest part of the external carotid artery. It runs along the lower head of the lateral pterygoid, as you all see. I already told about the mnemonics. तो let's learn deep auricular artery. यहाँ पे आप याद कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ईयर होता है तो इसलिए anterior tympanic artery, ये सब tympanic membrane के आसपास है इसलिए inferior alveolar artery. फिर आता है एक्सिलरी मेनिंजियल आर्टरी जो कि फोरामेन ओवल में जा रही है, और मिडल मेनिंजियल आर्टरी जो फोरामेन स्पाइनोसम में जा रही है. Let's learn the second part of the maxillary artery, which is called pterygoid plate. It runs the superficial to the lower part of the lateral pterygoid. ये कैसे जा रही है? Superficial जा रही है. Learn this. और upward and forward जा रही है. अगर ये superficial जा रही है तो that means अब mandible से superficial क्या है? Muscles of mastication. It is so easy to learn if you know the muscle of mastication. So first is mesenteric artery, deep temporal artery, lateral pterygoid, and medial pterygoid. All four are the muscles of mastication and buccal artery. Let's learn the third part of the maxillary artery, which is called pterygopalatine. If you know this, your job is done. So third part is run between the two head of the lateral pterygoid. The mnemonic is pig pass. So if you know palatine, so greater palatine पैलेट को सप्लाई करती है, पैलेट से नीचे दांत आते हैं, टीथ को सप्लाई करती है पोस्टीरियर सुपीरियर alveolar artery. If you know the palatine, so go to the sphenopalatine. If you know the pterygoid, तो go to the artery of the pterygoid canal. And जब हम आंखों की तरफ जाते हैं तो inferior orbital artery and pharyngeal artery. Thank you.